Hey y'all, so these are all the nails. And the first pair I have to show is these. They're like matte and pink. Let me see if I can open it. These are what they look like. These are like matte pink. I cannot wait to wear these. These are so cute. And I actually had some more pairs, but I already wore them like these. These are like a dragon style. I'll just put them on the screen. I wore those already. Those were like the second pair I wore. And I had like a Christmassy pair that I had wore. This gray one. This is, I feel like these are going to be good. This is the brand. I haven't tried anything from them, from this specific nail thing. I really started a collection, y'all. I'm loving these press-ons. I be wearing them like I got them dead. And there's no shame in my game. And I love these too. These are just so simple for like when I'm ready for like a simple nail. They're not showing up. It's like a pinkish nude. And this is like a brown nude. These gave me a bad experience because I put like some base gel on them before I glued them, and they were just like slipping and sliding. My hands were like getting stuck. It was just like, it was probably just me. It's not the nails. But I love these too. I thought these were going to be like a red, but I feel like they're kind of like a hot pink. I love these nails. These are just so bomb. For like $1. Like these, you cannot beat this, bitch. It looks like I got them dead at the salon. These are the yellow ones. I feel like these would be cute for like springtime. I feel like they're not too long, but these are cute. I'm gonna say these for like spring. I just bought these. These are like I bought some of these nails. I bought them like in December. I feel like these would be cute for like St. Patrick's Day or what is it called? You know, the little holiday thing. I have these. These are short. I might just wear these for, I don't know, maybe when I don't really want to have nails. I had like a pair of French tips I had from them. I wore those. Those were okay. They were kind of like, I thought they were going to be longer. They were kind of like a round coffin shape, and I didn't really like that, so I took those off. Yeah, but I'm going to just add that to the screen, and y'all can see those. I'll look it back. Okay, I think it's back working, y'all. I have these glitter ones. I feel like these would be really cute for like birthday time, you know, something like that. They're really extra. I don't know if the glitter is gonna fall off and stuff. I haven't worn those yet. Obviously, these blue ones, these look like a glow in the dark. You cannot beat these. Like these nails, baby. I'll take these over Walmart any day. You know, as far as press-ons, like they for $1, baby. They just been getting a job done for me. I'm ready to wear these. These are so cute. I think I like pink nails. Well, that color more than anything. I just love a good pink. I had actually got some like nail accessories, but I forgot to get like the nail thing to put it on. These are like teddy bears. I'll just insert a video of, I had them on a pair of nails that I had. I'm gonna just insert a video. I actually had ordered two silvers, like a pack of those. I asked Shein to change one to gold, but they couldn't do that, so they act like they didn't see that message, so I just said, okay. Now I have 2 packs of silver teddy bears to put on the nails. I skipped out on it this time. I didn't do it, because they do get tangled in the hair. These little teddy bear things, I find them get tangled in my hair, and I don't like that. It's annoying. I have these nail accessories. These are like, I'll put it on the screen. It's like a, watch. These are like purple nails. Let's see if I can show y'all. Let me turn this light down. It's too bright. That's what it is. Too bright. Maybe we're back. I should have had this light on at first, because it looked much better. Like, I should have had this on at first. But I'm not refilming, so I'll just continue the process. I actually have another pair of nails, but I cannot find them. It's like Stiletto, and it's like red. They're really extra. Like, they're like a stiletto shape. I'm going to just insert that on the screen. And this is actually another pair I was talking about earlier. This like the first pair press-ons I had. The first pair I had got from them. They look all beat up. I'm going to put a picture on the screen so y'all can see. They look all beat up. I loved how they looked on my nails. They looked like I, went to the salon, did what I, got the whole 9, the whole process did. But I really didn't. So let me open these 2 packs and I'm going to come right back. These are like the last 2 pair of nails. These nails. This is what they look like. They have like this style on it. I'm going to just post the, picture on the side. I'm ready to wear those. Those like ruby, like the vibes. They're giving me like fun vibes. I be wearing mine for like I try to wear them for like at least 2 weeks. I had a pair of short nails from them. I took those off. I just, every time I do short nails, I just be ready for it to come off after like the 5th day. So I'm gonna put that on the screen. I took those off though. Right before, okay, yeah, those are gone. These are some blue Frenchies. These are cute. I want these in like all colors, like a green, a yellow. I just love this style, like with the colors at the end, like the princess, but what color? I think that's so cute. And those are all the nails. I'm missing a pair. I had an orange pair. I wore those. I'm gonna put that on the screen. I gotta wear out of them. I wore those for like a minute. Yeah, and also, like, I've been loving the nails. Like, I just really been, baby, and they're a bang. You cannot, you get a bang for your buck. Honestly. For like $1, these. And they be reselling these. I be seeing them on Amazon for like $10 plus more. Like, girl, no. And some of these people be reselling these, texting for money. Do what you gotta do. Get your money, get your coin. But, y'all, they $1 on Shein, $1 and some change. Sometimes 2 or 3, but that's still not bad. But yeah, that's wraps up the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Follow my Instagram if you want to. I don't care. Do what you do. Bye.